Hello everyone and welcome, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through the use of AI in Notion 2025. Now Notion has integrated artificial intelligence into its platform to enhance productivity, creativity and collaboration within your workspace. Here is how you can utilize AI features in Notion as of 2025. The first thing you need to do is enable Notion AI. Now, this requires a subscription. AI features are available to users with a Notion AI subscription, typically around $10 per month per user. So how do you enable it? It's quite simple. First, open Notion on your laptop. Then click on Settings and Members in the sidebar, navigate to the Notion AI section, and toggle the switch to enable Notion AI. Now, the Notion AI feature we're going to talk about today is a style adaptive content creation. Now, what does it do? It generates content that aligns with your preferred writing style by referencing existing pages like style guides or project updates. So, how do you use it? Quite simple. In your query to Notion AI, mention the reference page. For example, draft a report in the style of, then you mention the page number. So once you've done this, review and refine the AI generated content that you'll be provided as needed. Please stay updated. Regularly check for Notion updates to access the latest AI features and improvements. And by integrating AI into your Notion workflow, you can enhance productivity, streamline content creation, and effectively manage your projects. Also, ensure that your data is secure by using AI tools that offer data encryption and adhere to privacy policies.